We have great relationships with Union across the Kentucky Welding Institute. So we love it, no big deal. We aren't biased, like maybe Union would like us to say go all Union. We don't. We honestly just want what that graduate wants. So if they want non-Union, that's what we want for them. If they want Union, that's what we want for them. So not that we're trying to play the fence, but we do feel like that given your situation, the future that you're trying to carve out for you, that there are just different paths to get